2024 was an eventful year. With the opening of the Ram Mandir in Ayodhya, a milestone that unites us. A historic milestone of 25 crore Indians lifted from poverty. In addition to 50 crore poor, we gave free healthcare to all senior citizens, irrespective of their income level, through Ayushman Bharat Vay Vandana Yojana. And a historic package to empower 5 crore people of tribal communities, Dharti Abha Janjatiya Gram Utkarsh Abhiyan, worth Rs 79,000 crores. Let's look at some infrastructural marvels of 2024. The 22-kilometer long Atal Setu, India's longest sea bridge, 550 railway stations undergoing modernization, establishment of India's first C-295 aircraft manufacturing facility in Vadodara, the largest container port at Vadhama, Maharashtra. The year also saw progress in important areas. A 2 lakh crore PM's package to skill and empower over 4 crore youth. The India AI mission to help Indian talent in artificial intelligence. A commitment to sustainability with 200 gigawatts of renewable energy. ISRO launching India to the stars with Aditya L1's mission to the sun. On Republic Day, women rewrote history as they led the celebrations. Indian citizens on death row in Qatar walked free as a success of diplomacy. Jammu Kashmir saw historic free and fair elections. Democracy stood tall and every voice counted. And we made global achievements. After 17 years, India lifted the ICC T20 World Cup. Paralympians made history with a record 21 medals. India won a historic double gold at the Chess Olympiad and Gukesh Domaraju became the youngest chess world champion at 18. 2024 was a year of progress, empowerment and inclusivity. Let us step into 2025, carry forward the good work and work harder to build a Viksit Bharat. Jai Hind.